Step 1. Access the info menu on the solar controller to confirm the temperatures at T1, collector, and T2, tank, are correctly displayed. Step 4. If air escapes from the valve, the expansion vessel is functioning properly. If fluid escapes, it indicates the diaphragm is damaged. Step 6. Attach the external pump to the filling valves to increase system pressure if it is below the recommended level. Your task: navigate to the info menu on the solar controller. Verify T1 collector and T2 tank. Click on the correct component. Your task: read the lower pressure gauge. Standard cold pressure 1.5 2.5 bar. Click on the correct component.